Published 2156 EDT, the 18th of August 2017. Updated 2156 EDT, the 18th of August 2017. The Victoria's Secret fashion show is a dream gig for aspiring models, and on Friday, Abby Champion gave it her all at an audition for the lingerie brand at their 2017 runway auditions in New York City. The 5 feet 11 inches stunner, whose boyfriend is Patrick Schwarzenegger, strut her stuff outside of the audition as she held on to her portfolio. Hopeful model Abby Champion attended the 2017 Victoria's Secret fashion show casting call in New York City on Friday. The leggy 20-year-old appeared to be getting some pre-audition practice, pounding the NYC sidewalk in a pair of short black boots. Abby sported a sheer black bodysuit with a pair of tiny denim shorts over it as her blonde locks caught wind and made her look every bit the supermodel. After the audition, she posted, "So happy today," along with a photo of herself to Instagram, to which her 23-year-old boyfriend commented, "Go ahead now, baby." Runway ready. The leggy 20-year-old clutched her portfolio as she walked the NYC streets. Experienced Champion has posted mini bikini and lingerie-clad modeling photos on Instagram. It is yet to be announced if Champion has been chosen as a model for the yearly spectacle, which usually films in late November and airs on CBS in December. If chosen, she has shown that she already has plenty of experience posing in lingerie and bikini sets. As seen on her Instagram, Abby was seen auditioning to be part of 2016's show. Though she didn't get the gig, she did land an ad campaign for the brand's VS Pink line, Casual Cool. She sported a sheer black bodysuit with Daisy Dukes and black boots for the gig. Hire Me. Abby proudly shows off this black two-piece in an Instagram photo from May 12. Abby and Patrick are often seen enjoying lunch dates and spend a lot of time working out together, so they keep in tip-top shape. They have taken their relationship to the next level, with Abby already joining in on the Schwarzeneggers' family holidays as she jetted off to Mexico with them last year. Patrick is the third of 4 children. The Terminator star Arnold, 69, shares with estranged wife Maria Shriver, 61. Natural beauty. The blue-eyed stunner wore minimal makeup for the important audition. Green with Envy. Champion is signed to Next Model Management and showed her company some love in this June 8 post. Tips for his career. Patrick is taking a leaf out of his dad's book as he starred in 2 movies this year. Go North hit cinemas in January, and his latest film Midnight Sun will be released later in July. For Midnight Sun, Patrick slips into the role of a man who falls in love with a sheltered teen, played by Bella Thorne, who has a rare disease, and the couple embark on a summer romance. Young love. She and boyfriend Patrick Schwarzenegger have been dating since early 2016. Supportive Schwarzenegger commented, "Go ahead now, baby," under a photo his girlfriend posted from her audition.